Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Anu here. Welcome to another topic related to the basics of Python, that is called the type and isinstance. In my previous video, I have shown what is meant by type, how we can identify the type of a particular variable, whether it is an integer or boolean or string or complex, using this type command. This is another important topic that we need to cover is isinstance. This is one of the built-in function we can use to identify whether that particular object belongs to any other parent inherited class or not. Let's go ahead and see practically what is the importance of type and is instance. Okay, let's go ahead and see what is their importance in identifying the type of any object. Okay, we have take this one. We have one thing called type. We use type to identify the type of a object. Okay, find the type of the object. Type of the object. Suppose x equal to 25. We used to use type of x, and if you give this will give us integer int class. Suppose if it is y equal to hello, if you type of y, and this will be giving string. There is another important concept called is instance. This will make sense. We'll go in production, and when we go into the production or in real time, usually there will be classes and inheritance will be there. We have some particular object obj1 we have. I need to see whether this object belongs to any other previous inherited values or not, class inheritance and all. In that case, we can use this is instance. This is a bit advanced, but I'm going to show you in practical what is importance of this is instance and what is the limitations of using type all the time and all. Type we can go to do the granular level debugging. Okay, granular level debug. There we can use this debugging. But if you want to see whether this particular object belongs to any other class, then we need to see, or then we need to use the is instance. Let's go ahead and see the practical. Let's use type. Okay, x equal to 25. Okay, then type of x equal to this integer. Then y equal to hello, and type of y equal to this will be string. Z equal to 12.25, and type of x here it is equal to float. Now a equal to 2 plus 4j, type of a equal to, it's a complex value. Now print is instance of, suppose I'm declaring some variable called salary equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, is instance of, I'm going to see whether the salary belongs to integer or not. Sal comma int. I'm going to see whether the salary belongs to an integer category or not. It will give true or false. Okay, in previous it will give what exactly this particular value belongs to. It will say type of, if you see here, one more thing, print type. Okay, type comma type of salary. Okay, it will give class integer, but in each instance that will say whether it is belongs to that particular class or not. Let's go ahead and see the actual use of each instance in inheritance and all. Suppose I have, in if you see this sample use cases and all, it doesn't make that much sense, but when it comes to classes and objects, it's going to make more senses. Let's define some classes. Class, say vehicle. Okay, class vehicle. I'm going to pass the second class. I have class car. This is inheriting the vehicle class. Okay, this is inheriting from the vehicle class, so vehicle is the parent class. Now I am defining another class supercar, that is inheriting from the previous parent, that is inheriting from this car class. This car class is inheriting from the vehicle, that is its parent. Now I am calling car equal to supercar. I'm just initiating this one. Now I'm going to print type of car. Type of car is, and it is which belong to the supercar. And next thing is print type of car equal to supercar. It is a true, but I'm just copying this one. So from where the supercar has inherited? Supercar has inherited from vehicle class. Let's see whether it belongs to vehicle. Okay, whether it belongs to vehicle or not. Supercar type of supercar is vehicle. It's a false. The same thing will be applicable for its parent. Its parent is vehicle. So sorry, car. That second one is car. This is called false. For vehicle, that is the supermost super parent. That is the first super parent. This is its child, and this is the grandchild, we can say. These are all it's called false. But whereas when you consider this in case of is instance, okay, print is instance of car, comma, first I'm going to give the supercar. Is instance of car, comma, supercar. Supercar, it's a sorry, some error. Sorry, yes, capital type of mistake. This is true. Okay, this car belongs to, you see, this car belongs to the supercar. Then print is instance of car, comma. What is the parent class of supercar? That is car. Parent class of supercar. Oh, let's see whether it belongs to, sorry, C is capital. What is the mistake? Small type of mistake. Okay, now I corrected. That is, I had given this is capital C. This superclass belongs to this car. This car belongs to this vehicle inheriting from its parents. Now let's see. Print is instance of car from its parents, whether it is true or false. It is true. Now I'm printing my is instance of car belongs to vehicle or not. Vehicle or not. This is also saying true. That is mean if you are using is instance, it is going to preserve all its parent classes and it is saying whether it belongs to this parent classes or not. And it will give whether it is true or false, it is giving the true. But when it comes to consider type, it is showcasing or it is giving only the recent one. Recent one means it is showcasing only whether this particular object belongs to that particular class or not. It is not going to check whether it belongs to its parent class or inherited class or not. In that case, it's going to fail. This is the importance of is instance and type. Hope you understand how what is the difference between type and is instances. Is going to be used in many places while we are going more further in the advanced level of Python programming. We need to see whether this particular object belongs to a class or not. If it belongs to that particular class, then we need to route those requests to different classes and all. In such kind of scenarios, we have to use the is instance instead of type. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video with some other good topic. See you. Bye. Have a good day.